Hello friends, today I am going to discuss like one more thing. How do we install SQL? So let's see. First we need to go here, go this website like a MySQL. We write here MySQL, and now look here, it's a MySQL site, and click here. Now let's see. There are multiple ways. One, you can say the mysql.com downloads. So we write here, click here the download, and then you see the heat wave, and go down, look here, and MySQL community here. So let's click here community, and then go here MySQL installer for window. Now look here, it says there are two installers. One is the 8.0.41 and another is this. So let's install here this one, and no thanks, go start my download. So it takes us some time, so let's wait few minutes, and you will see here it's downloading here. So it takes a few minutes, don't worry. It is taking a time. And now let's go. Now it has been completed. So it has been completed almost. It is taking a time. So yeah, it has been completed. Let's go here, open here. So now I am going to the open here. Look like this, preparing to install. Yeah, need to the right here is so right here is server only, clients only, full. So you write here the full, and go next. So look here, it's a very important. So you must see here following products: MySQL Server 8.0.41, and another is the MySQL Workbench, MySQL Shell, MySQL Router, MySQL documentations, and my samples and examples has been given. So go here, execute here. If you want to see the some details, so you can show detail. So let's see the progress. So first MySQL Server has been completed. Now it's a MySQL Workbench is installing, and it has been installed almost just, and Yes, it takes time, but don't worry, let's wait. Yeah, it has been completed. Now the third is the MySQL shell. It is installing. And it has been completed almost for more than 40% approx. Yeah, yeah, it's a don't worry, wait and watch. Wait few minutes more. Just we have completed more than 50% here. Approx. Yeah, here 50% has been completed. Actually, sometime you will see here. Just means if you are means wait and watch, and I think within 5 to 7 minutes you have to complete it. So it depends on your speeds of internet, what's your speeds, and it's a wire connected, and you are using a Wi-Fi. It matter here, so don't worry. Almost 66% approx. So let's discuss something. Just means we are waiting to install these things. So let's do why we are installing the MySQL. So there are the multiple platform we can use SQL, PostgreSQLs, and other Oracle SQLs, IBM SQLs. So multiple SQLs here. So let's see. Just most of the time we will see, because it's a very oldest software here, and we are using more data. If you are working as a data analyst, we need to the basic knowledge about SQLs and these things. So let's see, it has been installed here. So I will do here next, and SQL server, router, and simple those examples has been read it. And now look here, the development in the computer. Yes, these things has been, and connectivity port has been given, and MySQL name, pip name, memory. Yeah, don't do anything just here, and use the strong password. So use the legacy. Okay, so go here, the next here, use the strong password. If you want to use here the password, don't worry. MySQL password I want to use here. It's a 6. Okay, and I will try to write here these things, and another. And it's this one, it's a medium, so I have already. And let's go ahead, next, and again next, then we will do the next and execute it. So almost it has been completed, configuration steps, and another. So let's the writing configuration file, updating window firewall rules, adjusting a Windows servers, initializing a database, updating permissions for the data folder and related server files, starting the servers, applying a security settings, updating the start menu links. So let's see the configurations. MySQL server 8.8.0.41 was successfully. So go the next here, and your host name if you want to give, but I don't need to here. Test the connections routes, the finish, and finish here, and next here. Let's just check here the password. Let's write here and check your password. Is it correct? Yeah, connection succeeded, and go ahead next. Execute it here, and running a script. So apply your configurations. Now finish here. So it has been finished. So let's see. Just now we can check your, you can use here MySQL server here. So now you can see this is the MySQL server, and another is the Workbench is also has been open. So let's go here. Just I am going to and open here. Is it like a and it's a, so yeah, it's my Workbench has been opened. So this is the process to how to install MySQL, and similarly we can see here. So thank you very much. So I hope you can understand these things.